Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P500, followed by the Nasdaq100 and the DowJones30 futures charts. Apologies for posting today's video slightly later than usual. Of course, we had the FOMC meeting and it was a very explosive session. So, during days like today, I just like to allow the market to kind of settle before I share my opinion on the moves that we've seen. But let's get started here with the S&P 500. In fact, before I want to actually look at the charts, I just want to quickly show you a tweet that I sent out this morning. This was before the US market opened, and it said, I expect the FOMC meeting to have a more dovish tone than most expect. As a result, I expect the dollar and the 10-year bond yield to fall sharply post FOMC. This likely gives the S&P 500 a push to 5,250 in the coming week. I also expect to see a rally back to all-time high for the Nasdaq100, and I went on to say that I expect the 10-year yield to actually fall down towards 3.5% within the next 6 months. Now, if we just quickly look at the S&P 500, we currently find ourselves trading at 5,235. Reason being is because the FOMC meeting was in fact more dovish than expected. It come out and it basically told us and basically confirmed to us that we are going to likely see 3 cuts this year, but in my opinion, I still believe that we could potentially see more. S&P 500 bounced very nicely off the lower end of this uptrend that we've been trading in for the past 21 weeks, dating back to October the 27th when we formed the low. This really is a very impressive rally, and in my own humble opinion, I do believe that we see 5,250 to perhaps 5,300 in the coming days and weeks. And what I'm really looking for over the upcoming weeks is a broadening out in this rally. Can we see some money now start to flow into the names which haven't worked so well the past year or so, as the Magnificent Seven has dragged this market higher. Just quickly jumping over to the Nasdaq100, very similar. We're nearly at a brand new all-time high, currently find ourselves trading at 18,290. In my opinion, this market goes up towards 18,500 in the coming days and weeks. I kind of analysed yesterday that we have seen a lot of weakness in some of the semiconductor names, and I think that money will naturally flow back into these stocks, and that of course will give a boost to the Nasdaq 100. And then finally, guys, looking at the Dow Jones 30, look at this, a brand new all-time high. We're just shy of 40,000. The Wall Street trading floor will be getting those caps ready, which say 40,000 on them, and pass them to all of the traders on the trading floor, which I'm very excited to see. We are less than 500 points away from 40,000, and in my own humble opinion, I think that we continue to march higher over the upcoming days. Finally, I just want to quickly end today's video by analysing some of my favourite charts. Here is the US dollar. In my own humble opinion, we are currently in the process of forming a 5 Elliott wave phase towards the downside. We've just topped out from the first to second phase, and I feel like we are now within the second to third phase, and we could see a very large move down towards 100 or sub 100 in the coming months ahead. And then finally, just want to quickly show you the 10-year. I feel like we are going to decrease significantly here over the upcoming 6 months through to the end of summer. I feel like 3.5% is a reasonable target. That's what I'm kind of aiming for, and of course that would include some rate cuts that I'm expecting to see. But that's going to wrap it up for today's videos, guys. Don't forget, if you don't already follow me on X, then make sure you give me a follow, stocktrader_Max. And if any of you would like to join my Signal team, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. Once on my website, you just have to scroll down, click subscribe, and you can gain access to my Telegram group chat where you can copy my own personal trades as well as receive my daily market research. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.